Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, another business mistake that I see often is businesses not breaking out revenue. And what does that mean? Not breaking out revenue. If a business offers one or more product or service, usually what happens, everyone lumps all of that revenue into one account. And really, you want to break out that revenue. Lumping everything together, it really doesn't give you anything. It just gives you a total revenue. And what happens is that when I receive new clients, they say to me, well, I'm not sure what this revenue number means. I'm not sure if I'm making money. And that's why, so when you lump everything together, that's the result. So here's a couple of suggestions when dissecting revenue. So, number one, if once again, if you offer one or more product or service, break out the revenue. So in an accounting software, you can create multiple revenue accounts. And so what you can do, so say for instance, you offer maybe 4 or 5 product lines, somewhat lump those together. So if say for instance, you are a hair and spa, you could have let's see, a salon revenue account and then hair services account. So that's what I mean by creating those different accounts. Number two, you want to run a sales report by product or service. This will allow you to see what is driving your sales. Another report that you can utilize is running a sales by customer. A lot of times I've seen with businesses, they say, you know what, I'm getting these new contracts, but I'm still struggling with cash flow. You have to understand the sales. And what I mean by that, when you run these sales reports, you need to ask yourself, okay, this is how much I'm charging, but how much am I putting in? So, for instance, if you're somewhat like a project based business and say you're construction, and you're getting all these contracts in, but you could actually be losing money. So you want to understand, okay, what am I charging, what's the revenue, and then also too, what's the materials, the labor, overhead, other items that I'm actually having to put in. And you may find out you may be actually making money or losing money. So that's what I mean by dissecting revenue. You want to run these reports and start asking yourself these type of questions. Because once again, I see many businesses say, I'm getting these new contracts, they feel great, but they're overwhelmed. It seems like they're still spending more money out and having less cash. So you want to make sure that first of all, you're understanding your revenue, what's your fee structure, because it could be that you need to be charging more or changing your fee structure. Do you need to go to a monthly rate? Subscription based. So this is where an accounting professional can help you dissect your revenue. So once again, make sure to break out your revenue into different accounts if you offer one or more product or service. So hopefully you find this information helpful. Please share it with a friend and we'll see you next time. Take care.